Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll try and understand the concept of money laundering. That is, what exactly is money laundering? We'll try and understand the 3 steps involved in the process for money laundering, and finally, what are the common ways in which people normally tend to launder money. So first things first, and that is, what is money laundering? Well, to put in simple words, money laundering is the process of laundering dirty cash or dirty money obtained from a criminal activity whereby it is being laundered in such a way that it appears to have come from a legitimate source and thereby being deposited into banks and other financial institutions. In other words, the illegal process of making tons and tons of money, typically generated by criminal activities but appears to have come from a legitimate source, is called money laundering. Having understood the meaning, let us now dig into the 3-step process involved in this particular activity. You have placement, you have layering, and you have integration. While placement is the process of infusion or injection of dirty money into the legitimate financial system, whereby dirty money is being introduced into the system in batches. Layering is a process of erasing the origin of money or concealing the source of money through various transactions and bookkeeping tricks, by opening shell companies in different places of the world, by round tripping, that is sending money from country A to country B to country C to country D and so on. And then you have integration, which is basically the process of withdrawing this already laundered money from the legitimate financial system and using it further for your criminal activities. Well, if you ask me what are the normal ways to launder money, well, there are multiple ways or techniques involved, right from the most simple to the most complex. But a common technique being used by people nowadays is to have a cash-based business or to run a cash-based business on the side. Now let me help you understand this with the help of an example. Say you have a restaurant. Now typically there's a lot of hard cash coming in as revenue for the restaurant, so cash receipts are quite high in a restaurant. Say you have a drug trafficking business on the side from where you are earning dirty money or illegal money. You're mixing this illegal money with the legal money that you obtained from your restaurant business, and together you're depositing this into a bank or a financial institution, and then you're withdrawing cash from that bank to use it further for your illegal activities. Well, if you look at the process of money laundering, layering happens at this stage wherein you are mixing your illegal money with the legal money through various transactions and bookkeeping tricks. In this case, you're mixing it up with the legal money obtained from the restaurant business. Placement occurs here wherein you are infusing the dirty money into the legal financial system by way of deposit into bank. And finally, integration happens here whereby you are withdrawing the already laundered money from the banks or the legitimate financial system and using it further for your criminal activities. Well, a new frontier of money laundering today is the use of cryptocurrencies, typically the Bitcoin, where it is increasingly being used for drug trafficking, predominantly because of its relative anonymity when compared to other forms of currency. You also have the concept of shell companies being incorporated outside the country to send money or to launder money outside to different countries. Well, money laundering today accounts for around 5% of the global GDP of the entire world, and that accounts for around $800 billion. Thankfully, in India, to control this menace, you have the Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002, which came out to control a lot of money laundering activities. And what it says is that if they find you involved in any money laundering activity, then the fine may be only rupees 5 lakhs, but you could be arrested without a warrant. It's a non-bailable offense, and you could face jail term for a minimum 3 to 7 years. And if the quantum of money laundered is more, then jail term could extend for 10 years. And suppose you are a politician and you get convicted for a money laundering case, then you could get debarred from contesting any form of elections for a continuous period of 8 years. Well, I hope I was able to make things clear through this particular video. If you liked the video, please do show support to us by hitting the like button. If you want more videos like these on a regular basis through way of notifications, you could also think of subscribing to the channel. Till then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and thank you.